back to another video. You are watching Phone Zone today with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about some amazing gadgets out here. And this is a channel where you get latest information for your latest gadgets out here. But today we are not going to talk about just one gadget, but three different gadgets from the same brand out here. Yes. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Samsung की. Yes. Today we are going to talk about Samsung brand out here. And when we see Samsung, then it definitely means that there are a lot of things out there. Now, talking about Samsung variant, then we can say that the first version, the first gadget, the first variant we are going to talk about is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus. वैसे तो Samsung Galaxy Tab में बहुत सारे series हैं and there are really amazing series out here. But now when we talk about Samsung Galaxy Tab 7, S7 and S7 Plus, then we can say that the official teaser launched out was super amazing. And when we talk about this gadget, then we can say that the reviews out here was also amazing out there. But still, there are few sites, there are few places where the review on the gadget is yet to be disclosed and unrevealing to be done. So today's video will be all dedicated to the gadgets which are going to be unrevealed by this September. Yes, now let us talk about this variant and let us see about this variant and check about this official trailer out here. इसके ट्रेलर को एक बार देखें तो पता चलता है that it is really amazing out here. The design, the work, it's been a stylus, you can say. Anything we talk about, that is really amazing out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, then you can have a lot of things in it. Yes, you can use it for chilling out, you can use it for business purposes, you can use it for any purpose you want. There are a lot of things you can do with this variant. So Samsung's Galaxy Tab S7 and 7 Plus were really amazing out there. Few places, few global parts in the globe have already received this variant, and very soon it will be in every corner of the globe. But when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a great range of, you can say, specifications, great range of productivity, as well as great range of internal functions. As we already saw that this trailer has confirmed by Samsung company, and this trailer is from the Samsung site itself. So it offers you a great productivity in your day-to-day life. Yes, from day-to-day versions you can have this amazing variant. As well as when we talk about this version, then we can say that Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus were quite good. As well as they were this kind of a variant which helps you to know what kind of version you can have within yourself. As well as you will get to see that this variant offers you some amazing functionalities. Yes, if we talk about the functionalities, then we can say that it offers you a great functionality, not just in a one version or in one thing, but in n number of things. Just like if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got a very good specification in the battery life. Yes, it has got a battery life of 8,000. So we can say that Samsung S series, Tab S series, or Samsung Tab S7 and S7 Plus is really good. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that the screen size is also good. If we talk about the screen size, then we cannot neglect out the fact that it has got a screen size of 11 inches. And if we talk about S7 Plus, then it is really plus, then it is definitely worth it. Overall, if we talk about Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus, then we can say they are really amazing versions. As well as we have seen that this official trailer has given goosebumps to the people who have interest in the Samsung Tab series, and they are really amazing out here. So let us move ahead and see the second gadget which is going to be unrevealed by this September, and that is our Samsung Galaxy M51. Samsung Galaxy M51 की बात करें तो it is officially said by the Samsung company itself that they are going to unreveal this super amazing gadget, that is a quad camera phone, Samsung Galaxy M51, by the 1st of September 2020. Yes, this 2020 1st September will be the unrevealing of Samsung Galaxy M51 out here. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that Samsung has given us a hint, as well as they have given some amazing you can say trailer, so that we can guess out the amazing specifications of it. So let us see the trailer or the teaser released out by Samsung company. What was the teaser all about? This is a tweet by the Samsung company itself. There they have asked us to guess the specifications which will be in the Samsung Galaxy M51. This is the official trailer out here. This is the teaser released by Samsung India out there. So they have asked us, and they have, you can say, excited us to guess out what kind of battery it is going to have, what kind of camera it is going to have, the internal functionalities. Everything need to be checked out. So they have asked us to check and see what kind of specifications we are going to. They have actually given us, and our expectations worth it or not. So whatever you are expecting from Samsung Galaxy M51, you can let us know in the comment section, and what are your specifications and what are your expectations in these categories. You can let Samsung India know, or let us also know in the comment section. As well as when we talk about the Sweden, then we can see that Samsung company or the Samsung brand itself is bringing really amazing gadgets. But there is a site in the Korean sites, we can see, or there are few more sites which have revealed few specifications. Earlier, there were just rumors about the battery life of more than 7,000 out here, or battery life could be more better than the previous one, and even better or more than 7,000, we can say. The camera was also asked to be a better variant, but it was expected to be more than 64 megapixel. So there were a lot of rumors before Samsung has released this trailer. This teaser was released out by Samsung recently, and before that, there was, you can say, rumored, or there were hints out there where few sites have given us hints. But there is a confirmation with, or we can say there are few specifications leaked out, and the specifications which have been leaked out are quite like this. There you get to see that you have some amazing functional variety of gadget in M51 out there. Yes, you get to have some amazing functionality. These specifications have been leaked on a Korean side, and it is expected to be the confirmed specifications. Yet, until and unless official unrevealing or the official unpacking is not done, we cannot say that this is exactly the same things we are going to see. So it is, a few of them are absolutely correct that it will be having a Android 10 operating system. Yes, this will be based on Android 10. That is absolutely correct out here. As well as it is also expected to have 8 GB RAM variant. Yes, you can expect that it will be having 8 GB RAM. Since Snapdragon processor is inbuilt in it, but Samsung usually tries to have either Snapdragon or Inspo. So we cannot say that whether it will have which one. But still, if we expect Snapdragon, then 730 Snapdragon processor could be seen out in this. As well, chip systems are confirmed out here. Along with that, you can expect a normal screen size that will not be very high or very low. The screen size is expected to be absolutely normal. As well as when we talk about the Sweden, then we can say that M51 is expected to be a quite better variant because of the battery life. It is expected to have really good battery life, a great camera out here, as well it is expected to have a good range of selfie camera. Within if we talk internally, then you can say that internally the processor, operating system, its CPU, GPU are going to be very interesting out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the Sweden, then we can say that the Sweden is going to offer really amazing specifications in Samsung Galaxy M51. Now, when we talk about M51, we cannot neglect out the fact that M51 was one of the most awaited gadget out there in most of the parts of the globe, because before its release, before its official announcement, before the announcement also, there were rumors that M51 is going to have such variations in it that the Samsung Galaxy series are not having at all. Or we can say it is going to be one of the most amazing variant out there. So we can expect this also. And when we talk about the Sweden, then we can say that Samsung Galaxy M51 is expected to have a lot of specifications in it. So moving on, let us move ahead and see the another gadget, or we can say the last gadget for the video, that is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. It has already been revealed once. Yes, the unpacking has already been done out, and we have already seen its official trailer. So unpacking is already done, but people are not satisfied with that unpacking, and it has not actually shown exactly the specifications of this variant. So it is expected that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 unpacking 2 will be, or unrevealing 2 will be done by the 1st of September itself, along with Samsung Galaxy M51. Yes, Samsung Galaxy M51 is going to be unrevealed on 1st of September. This is an official statement by the Samsung company itself. So we will let you know about the specifications, and if you have expected some great specifications from this, let us know in the comment section also. As well as let us talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Then we can say unrevealing one has been done, and the trailer was really amazing. Let us look ahead and see the trailer out here. This is the unofficial trailer. So this was an official trailer released out by Samsung company itself. And when we talk about this trailer, we can say that Samsung company's trailer is really amazing. And the unpacking was revealed through a video itself. It was not an official great event out there. So it was a normal unrevealing event in a video. But since the people were not satisfied, so unrevealing of Samsung Galaxy 2 will also be done out here. And when we talk about this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, we have already told you there are a lot of things related to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and you will get to see that this variant offers you really some amazing specifications. Fold is really great word itself. So we can expect that this Fold 2 or Z Fold 2 will be better variant as compared to the other versions. Now, when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect out the fact that the second unrevealing is expected to be very important for Samsung company as well as the audience, because this is going to tell, or we are going to see how the audience are going to react, because the first unrevealing did not actually satisfy the users or the audience out here, because it did not reveal all the specifications, or you can say it did not go well with the audience, that only the structural functionalities were shown in that video. So we expect a lot from this version. Now when we talk about this variant, when we talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, then we can say that Z Fold 2 is expecting a lot. Audience are expecting a lot from Samsung this time, and especially from these three variants. Tab 7 and S7 and S7 Plus has already been in the market, and we already know most of the parts have Tab S7 and S7 Plus, but few of them don't have. So we are expecting it to be globally available very soon. As well as talking about Samsung Galaxy M51, we can say that M51 unrevealing will be really exciting, because the teaser has always been exciting, and we can expect a lot of internally very different functionalities. And talking about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, then we expect the unrevealing pack 2 very soon. That could be 1st of September, along with M51, or it might differ with 1 or 2 days, but it will be done within September only. So exact date is not yet announced by Samsung company, but it is expected to have in the September first week itself. So this is all for today. If you like the video, do thumbs up, and do share it, and let others know about Samsung's upcoming gadgets and the gadgets till now. If you have any confusion for any gadget, you can let us know in the comment section, or you can also let us know which gadgets review you want, or what kind of information you need from our channel. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.